took a stroll on the long walk of a day. I met a little girl and stopped to talk about fine someday. Then I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl round the South Hill prom with a Galway girl. Halfway there when the rain came down of a day. And she asked me out to her flat downtown of a fine someday. I ask you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. When I woke up, I was all alone, with a broken heart and a ticket home. Then I ask you now, tell me what would you do if your hair was black and your eyes were blue? I've traveled around, I've been in love with this world. Boys, I've never seen nothing like a Galway girl.